Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can turn on and off the touch gestures of your JBL Vibe Flex. So to do this you have to select your headphones from the application and then you have to go for the gestures, click on this arrow, and as you can see right here we can customize our gestures. So to do this you can just click on the arrow where you can pick any function from the list. And when you go for the left or the right, you got basically the same functions. You can turn them off, of course, by tapping on the last option. So as you can see right now, the start gestures is turned off. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.